After the invasion of D-Day, Allied forces continued moving forward through France, successfully liberating Paris on August 25, 1944. Barney Baker was part of those liberation forces, meeting and mingling with the people of France as he served in country. In this first-person flashback, Mr. Baker shares a memory of that mingling that included a romance in France.
Well, I think the French people were really nice. I did meet this French girl over there, and we started going together while I was there, and we sort of liked each other, and she liked me, of course, and the family was nice. And she had a brother that was in the Berthaud. He was in the French Navy. And they had a daughter named Giselle, and they had another daughter named Paulette. Well, I came liking Giselle, and we got orders to leave. I guess I was there about 4 weeks or something, so I told him I had to leave. So I had kissed her on the cheek all the time when I left that day, but this time I kissed her on the lips because she started crying when I told her I had to leave. And so they called an interpreter over. It's a small town, he was right there. And they came and they said, you know, Baker, he said, when you kiss a French girl on her lips, you're engaged to her. And I said, oh, no, I can't get engaged. I can't get married, I can't get engaged. They said, well, we don't believe you.
Uh-oh.
And I said, well, I can prove it to you, because in Italy when he was there, a fellow wanted to marry an Italian girl, and the commanding officer says, there's no way you're going to marry here. You either got to get out of my outfit, or after the war, you can do what you want to. But anyway, we corresponded for a while, and then I met my future wife, and I wrote back to her. I was very honest with her. I wrote back to her and said, Giselle, I'm sorry I won't be able to write you anymore because I'm an American girl, and I want to tell you, though, I said, I want to tell you, though, that you'll make a nice wife for somebody when you marry. And I'm very, very sorry I have to tell you this. So I never did right, and I was married to my wife, Juanita, for almost 63 years.